Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Welcome to Universal CityWalk, the ultimate crossroads of entertainment and flavour in the heart of Orlando. Just like its neighbour, this high energy promenade is completely free to enter, serving as a gateway to adventure for everyone. Imagine a landscape where the skyline is defined by towering neon signs and the air is thick with the aroma of wood-fired pizza and sweet delights. From the bold, eclectic vibes of CityWalk's central plaza to the retro-inspired charm of the themed eateries, the energy here is unmistakable. You aren't just walking through a plaza, you're stepping into the epicenter of awesome. It's where blockbuster thrills meet a world-class dining scene that stays vibrant long after the sun sets. But the best way to experience it is to simply be present. For now, I want you to settle in, find your rhythm, and enjoy the walk.
Casi me muero de la risa. ¿Cómo así que me las películas nuevas
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.